Hello everyone, how to freeze row in Excel. So let's start. So here I'm going to freeze the top row. So for that, go to the View tab. In Window Group, click on the Freeze Pen drop down arrow, and here the second option, Freeze Top Row. And that's it. Here the top row is a blank. Just scroll down and you can see the top row is visible when you scroll down. Okay, row number 1. So if you want to unfreeze, just click on the freeze pen and click on the unfreeze pen. Now you can see when you scroll it, the first row here not visible. Okay. And now here I'm going to freeze the heading row, the row number 2. So select here the third row first cell. Okay, only select here the one cell and go to the View tab in freeze pen. Select here the freeze pen options. Now just scroll down and here you can see the heading row is freezed. To unfreeze it, click on the freeze pens and click on the unfreeze pens. That's it. Now I just scroll it and you can see now the heading row is not visible when you're scrolling. Okay. And if you want to freeze the multiple row, so here I'm going to freeze the first 4 row. So row number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. After this fourth row, select the cell of the fifth row, first cell. Okay. Then click on the freeze pens and click on the freeze pens option, first one. And now scroll and here you can see the first 4 row visible when you scroll down. See here the first 4 row here the visible. To unfreeze it, just click on the freeze pens and click on the unfreeze pens. So that's it. So this is the way you can freeze rows in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.